Hey friends, if you wish to send or receive files via Bluetooth on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, and then remove any redundant device before anything else because you can only add limited devices. Now click on add a device, select Bluetooth. Wait till you notice your phone or speaker or some other device here. Okay, we may have to click on show all devices. Okay, and let's see if we find a phone or speaker here. Okay, we are going to pair it. It says connection succeeded. Now the connection has succeeded and we are connected. Okay, now how would we send a file? Let's say I need to send this file. So I'll simply right click on it and then I'll select share, or I can also select send to, but I can select this option. Okay, show more options, and then I will select this option send to Bluetooth device, use authentication. Okay, and then I can send the device, send files, and then I will select Redmi 13C and then I will click on next, and it's sending it to my phone. So it may need a while, but this is the process because I need to accept it on my phone as well. So I will click on the accept button on my phone. Okay, and now it is receiving it on my phone. That's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.